What's up guys? So today's video is sponsored by Firmoo, and they're an affordable prescription eyeglasses company. A lot of you guys may know I wear prescription lenses, and they sent me a pair of glasses that I selected. So let's go through today and see how they look. And they came in a nice hard case. Nice little cover bag. Let's see. At a moment of truth, I was curious if they would be able to get my prescription right. Oh yeah, this is nice. So it fits really nicely, and they got the prescription 100% good. I could see everything now, but I'm gonna hop on the website and show you guys the pair of glasses I'm wearing in this video and go from there. And these are the glasses that I'm wearing in the video, but let's go on over to the website. As you guys can see, they have all different types of glasses, different types of frames. And it's not just prescription lens they sell regular pairs of glasses, women, men, kids, even sunglasses. And with the affordable price, I was definitely able to save, so I'll be getting a pair of sunglasses with my prescription. And if you use my code, which you could find in the description below, you could save up to 50% on your order. But we're just doing a little comparison test here. And these are my regular frames and glasses that I normally wear. And you could see it's all wobbly and bent up. And these are the Firmoo glasses. I could tell the material is way more sturdy. And they look identical. And the Firmoo, like I said, it was very affordable and a fraction of the cost of what I paid for these, and you can see they're already bent up. But thanks for watching today's video, and like I said, check out my codes in the description where you could save on 50% on your order. And until next time guys, take care, and thanks to Firmoo for sponsoring today's video.